Well, you've probably heard the phrase regarding having a case of the Mondays, but in our case, that's actually a good thing. That's because the start of the week usually means something tasty is happening in the DelmarvaLife kitchen.
That's because Mamma Mia Monday is here, and Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Roma is joining us today. Welcome.
Yeah.
Happy Monday, guys. How
Happy
are
Monday
you?
to you.
How's everybody's week going so far? It's Monday.
Hey.
Just getting started there.
So we are doing a shrimp parmesan.
Shrimp Parmesan, right? This is a
Okay.
little play on Parmesan and shrimp. So what we're going to do is, what I like to do, I got the 16-20 count shrimp, so 16 to 20 a pound, that's what the numbers are for. And then we're just going to butterfly. And then, if you don't mind helping me out with this a little bit.
Sure, okay.
Just going to dredge them through a flour, egg, and a breadcrumb. And then we're just going to drop them into the saute oil or fry oil.
What do you have in with the bread
So
crumb?
I do Italian mixture, which is parsley, salt, pepper, and garlic.
Put it right in there.
Yep, and a little bit of Romano cheese.
Okay.
Yep, we'll just drop them right in. And then this way you put all your seasoning. You can put your seasoning in the flour as well, or wherever you want. But I put it right mine, right in the breadcrumb there. Gives them a nice little coating too.
And then you're cooking it in hot oil.
So this is saute oil. This is a combination of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, sunflower oil.
Okay.
And you can do this in a fryer, or you don't have to have that much oil, as you can see.
Okay, yeah, because the shrimp are not very big.
No, they're not. You can actually make them a little bigger if you butterfly them a little more, and then you pan them down into the flour like this.
There you go.
You guys are doing a great job.
We're going to cross here. So you go
He's
like,
quicker than me.
You go like this here, and then you give it a little push in here, and you can make them a little, like about a $half size.
Okay.
See, there you
Look
go.
at that.
Look at
Oh,
that.
you see, you flattened the butterfly.
Yeah.
Now, is this an entree or
This is an entree. So this could be served. Well, it could be served as an appetizer. You can just forget about the Parmesan and do fried shrimp. You can serve it with a little bit of pasta on the side, just as you would a chicken parm or a veal Parmesan or eggplant Parmesan. It's just another option instead of a beef or a meat option.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the Parmesan.
Okay.
It's a good thing you have gloves, right?
There,
Yes.
Now you got
There you go.
We talked about that. It's
Yeah.
It's
the mitt.
yeah.
mitt.
There you go.
So how long does it probably
So
doesn't take
takes
very
about
long.
2 minutes to fry up, and then we're just going to pat them here, and then we're going to put some sauce on them into a little casserole dish, and then we'll put them in the oven,
Okay.
and then we'll pair it up with some bread.
Okay. And we're going to talk about the bread
Yes, we are.
and get all of this together.
Sure.
When we come back, stick around. DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.
We're pulling off a delicate operation as we fry up some seafood here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. But we're in very good care as Chef Joe Bellia is leading the charge for Mamma Mia Monday. So what else do we need to do for this
All
dish?
right, so I think our shrimp are ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a little paper towel here, just to pat off the little extra oil that we have.
Oh, look at those.
You want to be careful with the oil. It doesn't pop even after you pull it off. It will.
Yeah.
So
There's nothing worse than an oil burn.
No,
Oh.
it doesn't go away very easily.
I'm sure I have some. You have some.
I've got scars
we all
everywhere.
have them.
So if you don't mind, just
Okay.
put some sauce. You can just dump it right into.
Just
to
dump
that.
the sauce
this,
in
this
there.
Is my
You're
marinara
finally
sauce.
putting me to work.
There we go. So with that, you want to make sure you have a nice coating. Just leave me a little bit, and that's perfect. What we'll do is have a nice coating on the bottom so they don't stick. You're going to go right into casserole dish here.
Oh, look at that. It's too bad the folks at home can't smell this. It smells amazing.
And then if we have a little bit, just for color, we'll put, so this is we slice our own mozzarella at the restaurant. So all your pizza
nice.
is nice and creamy there.
Look at
And if
that.
I just have a little bit.
Oh, did I use all
Nope,
the sauce?
That's good. Just for a
Just
little.
enough for decoration on
That's
top?
right, that's right. And we'll put this in the oven. And the good news is I have one that's ready to come out. So
Okay.
All right.
So we're going to do that. And I'll do this really quickly because I didn't bring my glove.
Whoop. I was wondering how you were going to do
There
that.
you go. So how does it look? So we'll add a little bit of something that everybody wants more of, and that's thyme, right?
Yes. Never
I
had
have
enough
one little
time.
joke every Monday.
Look
Yeah.
at that.
So there you go, and then
there
we're
you
gonna
go.
pair it up. Now you can do pasta, or I would like a nice chunky bread like this. So this is Lisa and I were talking off camera. We're opening a focacceria, which is a bakery, sandwich shop, Italian market next door to our restaurant. It'll be opening in June. I'll have some more information as we get closer. But I've been experimenting with some bread. This would be like an Italian loaf bread.
I'm
guys
gonna
wanna
reach
get a-
in here and get a couple forks because I
was
know.
trying to kill time, let it cool off a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, right. Right.
There you
we go.
All right. So focaccia?
Focaccia. Focaccia bread, everybody knows what that is, right? It's a thick Italian bread, and we're going to be making sandwiches on them, different kind of focaccia and stuff like that.
There's no way to cut
There
a
you go.
little
Would you
piece
like
here.
a knife?
No, I think you're going to get a whole shrimp whether you like it or not.
I'm going to have to cut it
There you
in
go.
two,
Look at that.
especially since it's hot.
So yes, this is great. I mean, this is, even kids love shrimp, right?
Yeah.
You know, sausage and cheese.
Oh,
It's going to
oh,
be hot.
yeah.
It's going to be hot.
hot.
It's going to be hot.
He was not lying.
Very good.
It's hot.
Oh, it's delicious.
So we'll have this on special this week. Being that it's on, we get a lot of response out of the audience that ask for if we have that on special, and we will. And we'll experiment with the bread. The bread will be in our dinner baskets, and hopefully soon in June we can all experience some sandwiches on that.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
That is so good. You know, I've never had shrimp parmesan.
it's not bad, right? I mean, it's something you wouldn't think of putting out like that, but yeah, it's got a really good.
I
good
think it's
taste.
going to be my new favorite here.
You were saying something about cold cuts, right?
Yes,
Cold
yeah. So today is National Cold Cuts Day. So we wanted to ask you what your favorite cold cut sandwich is.
Sure. There's an Italian meat called mortadella. I don't know if you've ever had it.
Mortadella.
It's like a
Yum.
ham bologna hybrid, but it has pistachios in it and a little bit of olive and some pine nut in it. It's my
Ooh,
favorite.
Sounds
It goes
good.
great on that bread. A little roasted peppers and fresh mozzarella, a little olive oil, garlic. Boom. That's my favorite.
I'm going to have to seek that
Mortadella.
out.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Joe, thank you so much. Tell us again where we can find you.
So we're at 213 North Fruitland Boulevard across from the Food Line in Fruitland, Maryland. And you can find us Wednesday through Saturday. We're open from 4 to 10. I recommend reservations.
A little restaurant that fills up fast.
So 56 seats, so yeah.
Because
Okay.
the food is so good.
Can't beat it.
Joe Bellia with Joe's Roma. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you.
We'll be right back.